welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm at Tokyo Ramen Street. Hello. Well, it's near the airport and there's a lot of shops. Let me show you guys. These are the shops. These are all ramen behind. Yeah, I know you guys can't really see it because there's a lot of people. But just imagine this entire street is all ramen. Yeah. Also guys, I'm eating at this shop named Banchu. Yeah, it's called Banchu. And also, this got a reward. Let me show you guys. So guys, this is the reward. This is what attracted me to come and try. So I'll show you guys the ramen later.
This is the surprise, guys.
So guys, I ordered the standard one. Get that. We got some fish balls, some noodles, some egg, some meat, and some seaweed. So it's time to dig in. Time to dig in. Noodles?
Hey guys. Hello. I'm eating the same as my brother.
Damn, it's hot. It's like damn hot.
It's so good, right?
It's very good, mate. Egg.
Meat and Shane, can I
It's kind of salty, but still good. Noodles again.
Guys, we're in Tokyo.
Noodles, damn delicious.
How many you rate it? Shane, how many you rate it?
Very good.
Guys, how much if you eat it, how much would you guys rate it? I rate mine 10 out of 10.
To be but juicy and good. So, but now for the final part, the soup. This soup's good. It tastes salty, but yet you won't feel thirsty. It's like salty, but not too salty. Just the perfect taste.
Papa, this soup can make us thirsty one night. Cannot.
Dang good. Oh yeah, I also forgot. Time to try the fish ball.
That's not fish ball.
Yeah, it's also known as Naruto anyways. I'm gonna see you. So this is the end of my rating. Total rating 9.5 out of 10. This is dang.
Bye bye.
Last bite of truth.
Can I say bye bye to them? Bye bye guys. Bye.
Bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Oh.